I'm Anna Traveset, and I am a research professor at the Spanish Research Council at the Mediterranean Institute of Advanced Studies, which is a mixed institute between the Spanish Research Council and the University of the Balearic Islands. I work on plant-animal interactions since 25 years ago, mostly on pollination and seed dispersal interactions. And since I arrived to the Balearic Islands, because I am not native from there, I became an island ecologist, and I have several projects in different archipelagos. So besides the Balearics, I work in the Canary Islands, and since 10 years ago, I also work in the Galapagos, so I feel very fortunate. And we currently have a project on the Seychelles too, and Cape Verde is a project on small islets. We want to look at the entire trophic network in 6 different islets from 6 different archipelagos. 2 in the tropics, 2 in the subtropics, and 2 in the temperate zone.
Great. So what are the things that inspire you?
Well, it's nature. I have always been, since I was little, very curious about how nature works, and all the beautiful creatures, animals, but yeah, I study plants now, also reproductive biology of plants, but I entered this world through the animals, no? Because, well, when I was little, I wanted to study also the behavior of animals. But yeah, in general, I just enjoy being outdoors and seeing how nature works, and seeing all these butterflies or bees pollinating is just great. Or a bird feeding on a fruit, or a monkey, or well. So we are surrounded by beauty.
What are things that concern you?
Well, the thing that concerns me the most is the biodiversity loss that we are experiencing. It's huge, and when in this conference, for instance, that we are seeing that all these islands are losing so much diversity, species and interactions, and many of them we will never know them because they will disappear before we know. And so, yeah, it concerns me that most human population, the large majority, is not informed or this. They do not know. So we are destroying nature, but well, there is a minimum group of people that do not care, or that they think that we'll survive anyway and we can live on chemical food, but others, they are just not informed. So I think it's very important that we keep divulgating what we are doing, and teaching people that we need to protect all our house, that's this planet. No?
So if anything was possible, what would you like to do?
Anything was possible. To restore all the destroyed habitats, no? And go back to those pristine forests that we are eliminating. But yeah, I think there are many things. The list is very long, but yeah, the first that comes to my mind is that I would restore many places that are very ugly now, but they used to be very nice.
And what advice would you give beginning biogeographers or biologists?
Well, they need to be curious, otherwise just don't get into this job. They need to feel passion for this job, and you also have to be very persistent. Don't give up. There are many obstacles along this career, but this is my philosophy. I have had many obstacles in my career, but I have not given up. And finally, well, I feel I am a fortunate person because I surpassed all the obstacles. And yeah, so be persistent and have passion for what you have. That's, I think, the 2 main things.